Yo, 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 yo. Ooh, damn. Yo, yo, what up, guys? What up, everybody? Boom. What up, everybody? Yo, what up, what up, what up, what up, guys? What up, fellas? Wow. This guy would be the one. Oh, you know what? That was it. I think that was it. Yo, what up, fellas? What up, everybody? Yo, I see us possibly hitting this 23-29 area right here. I see us coming up to these levels up here. I think if this closes back inside this range, it's gonna most likely need to come back up to the top. But yeah, I see it coming up to 23-29. I see. Yeah, I see it. I see it needing to come up here. I think that's where I think it needs to come. So we're gonna see how it goes, reacts around these levels. Hold on, let me check something real quick. Oh man, let's see. See how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I see it needing to come up to this 29 area though. I'm wondering if I should try to get into a trade around here. Here we go. Let's see. Yo, Daniel, I'm looking for sales with low 23.23. Ooh, very nice. Yeah, I'm looking for possible taps up to these levels at 23.29. Possibly, I don't know how. The only reason why I'm looking for that is because we did tap these levels over here, and I'm wondering if this could be what we do to. Last time we tapped here, we came back up to these levels, which is where we're at now. So I'm wondering if we break above these levels, these will be the next targets up here. So this level right here is going to be very interesting. That's kind of what I'm looking for right now, is to see if this, just because since last night, I've been looking at this area since last night. So what I was thinking is that if this level doesn't break, then there's a good chance that we need to tap these next two levels. But I mean, we are coming down, so I mean, I might be wrong, but just the idea is that, you know, these would be the ranges right here. So we're in range 1, this would be range 2. So I think we could be coming back into range 2. So we're gonna see what happens if we if we end up coming from down there back into the like that or something like that. So we'll see how this ends up forming, but I think this might be okay. So here we go, start pushing down. I could be wrong though, I could be wrong. I'm just going off of if it was that was just my idea. So we have these levels around here. Boom, boom, boom. Yo, what up, Space? What up, bro? What up? Appreciate you guys for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button, hit that like button for me. It really helped me out. Space. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, and I was waiting for Don to possibly get on earlier, but I guess he never got on, and I'm not sure what was the issue, but yeah, that was what I was kind of worried about. I was wondering. Ooh, here we go. Sales. There goes your sales, Daniel. Damn, this thing is moving. There you go, Daniel. There goes your 23. All right, so let's see. Close full. Let's go. Good job, Daniel. That's what's up. Good job. Good work. Way to follow your plan. There it is. Good job, man. Yeah, I see that forming right there. It looks like a fake. Looks like a fake out back into the range. What it kind of happened right there. So that's what I'm seeing right here is a fake out back into the range. Did we tap it? Kinda, I guess you can say that. So we possibly closing back into the range. This 1 hour still hasn't closed yet, so we're gonna see how this 1 hour closes. It did leave a long top wick, so if this ends up closing above this range right here, then it does look like we could possibly come back up here to tap these ranges up to the top. So we're just gonna wait till this 15-minute closes, see how this next 15-minute closes, and we'll go from there. Let's go, let's go. All right, guys, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I gotta do something real quick. All right, y'all, I'm back. My bad. Hey, I just seen right now too. Don posted that that he can't stream for a week. I guess he got a strike on his YouTube. So whatever the strike was from, it takes away your streaming for a week. So he can't stream for a week. That's why. Wow, this thing is dumping down. Yeah. I know Spaceman's crazy. I don't know why. So I think at this yellow line is where we're gonna get some reaction at. So I think we're gonna come down to this line right here, and then this is where we're gonna get some reaction. There's obviously only two options for it to bounce here or to continue down. So I think this level right here is very important. It will need to be it will need to be tapped. That's wild, bro. I know, man. I don't know what it was from or what, but I mean, he was just streaming the game. I don't see why. I don't see how that could, what would happen. Unless it was, I don't know. No, I would say it. Drop a big dookie fresh. Drop a big dookie. Let's go. Drop it. Drop the dookies in the chat. Yeah. Let's see. This hour still gets 10 more minutes to close, so we'll see how this hourly closes. This hourly closing will be kind of important because I do see this already kind of hitting this area. This was here. Now look at the previous high, which would be right here. Boom, that's the previous high. Look at close above, wick above. Perfect. Yeah, I just did that. So it did exactly that, where this closed above, wick above, came back down. So that was that move right there to come back down. I didn't see that, but that will finish that off. But there is a top. Well, I did technically tap that. You could say that's the whole range right there, which is this whole candle. Let's see. Okay, we hit that. So the previous 4 would be Yeah, we hit that. Euro USD buy position open. Let's go. Good luck. Motivation. Oh yeah, and if you guys are not subscribed yet to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. This is Donvo Clips. I run this clip channel for Donvo. If you guys are not familiar with it, make sure you guys go subscribe to that. Hey, we got 7 people watching. Gang, that's what's up. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button, hit that like button. Let's get this stream out to a little bit more people. Got 8 people watching. But yeah, this is the channel. I gotta go make some videos later on today. All right. So let's see what happens. Yeah, like I said, we're stuck in between this range. Also, it's kind of right here is what we're in. So I figured if this was the bottom of this range, we might need to touch the top. I mean, you could also say this is probably the top also, but just from what I was gathering yesterday, we need to tap this level up here at 29. So, and I put it at 29 because I think it needs to go up here to these highs, but that was just kind of my idea. I mean, I could be wrong. Maybe I might be stuck in my own bias also. I might just, but this is kind of what I'm looking for to print, is this type of formation to go. And if I kind of look at this right here, this is exactly what I kind of look for right here, is for this to form. And when that forms respecting these levels, it usually pushes up. But then I wonder if this wasn't the one to push up. This was the one to give it a retest. But I mean, you even kind of think about that right here. We're going to have to see how this hourly closes. I need to see how this hourly closes right here. Target for USD. Drop a motherfucking like. Let's go. Check the 4 hour. Yeah, so the 4 hour. So look at this is what okay, so this is what I see on this 4 hour, is that this 4 hour is the whole range right here. So this candle right here is the range on this 4 hour. So with that being said, is that we touched the top of the range pretty much. We touched the bottom of the range now. So I'm wondering is if this bottom wick was enough to hold us to go back to the top of the range, or was this just the top wick to continue back down further? Because even though this is, like I said, this is the bottom of the range of this candle, there's still a clean range all the way down to here. But if I go to a smaller time frame, there's going to be something in this area probably, which is right here, where we got you see how this is all green? Like this whole section right here is green right here. So what that tells me though is at some point, if I go to a smaller time frame, there's somewhere inside of here, there's a red candle which created a resistance or a support or something. So what that means is that this is where you'll find your where you'll get a bounce or something. So look at these levels is where we got this bounce at. If I go down to the 15, you could see that this was this level that we got. We bounced off these lows to go back up, you know. So that could be what might be happening here, is we bounce off these levels to possibly go back up. Oh yeah, but that's what I was thinking though, is that I'm just wondering, is that was this enough of a bottom wick to tap these lows to possibly push us up maybe to these highs right here, which is the support of this area up to the top. So this could be a range here. I mean, this is obviously a range down here, but then there's obviously some kind of range right here too, because there's this resistance there. So there's a resistance there, which is also why we're getting rejected at these levels too. But what this kind of tells me though is that if we were to break into this level right here, then we need to tap this high right here, and then if we tap that high and close above there, then the next high is up here. But if we start getting rejected, then obviously these are the same levels. We'll get rejected from here to go here, then we'll close below here to go back down to here or something. So we're gonna see right now how this hourly closes. This hourly's closing like that with a long top wick, so that could show that we do have a range, because candles are like the wicks are the ranges that it's showing you. So the wick is showing you we do have a range all the way up to this top. So if we do come back up, that's a good level at least to where we could at least come before getting rejected. So right now it's going to be closing right now in 5 minutes. If it flips bearish, then the next level will be this level down here to try to get in. I mean, to possibly take a sell. We could probably take a sell here to take it down to these levels. But yeah, like I said, when I look, even on the 4 hour right here, we have this like real big section right here of just one color, which is just green. So that's just one movement going straight up. So what like I said, what I've seen is that when you go to smaller time frames, at some level you're gonna find where you're gonna find the supports and resistances at, and that's where you'll find the bounces at. So obviously, looking at this, you know somewhere in there you're gonna find some support and resistance, but there's really nothing all the way down. Look at even the hour like that, the half hours like that. Okay, so the half hours like that. So we could be getting this bounce off of here to come back up to these levels. But yeah, like I said, like this is where we got that same area of kind of resistance support, and we're finding that same support here. So but this is the thing, is if we break this level, then the next level is till down here. So if that's the level, then that could be where we start heading. Yeah, so this hourly is gonna be closing right now in 3 minutes. Motivation. I'm not really looking at EUR, Euro USD. I'm not looking at that right now. Oh yeah, actually, let me I need to post this. Damn. That's crazy, bro. Let me see. Look, y'all, I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, yeah, right here. I just posted it right now, so I could pull it up. But yeah, look, this is your channel now has 1 strike. You won't be able to do things like upload, post, or live stream for a week. A 2nd strike will prevent you from publishing content for 2 weeks. 3 strikes in the same 90-day period will result in your channel being permanently removed. Wow, they hating on Don. That must be Roger or something. They hating on the guy. Come on, man. How y'all do that? That's crazy. All right, this hourly is gonna be closing right now in 1 more minute. Let's see how this hourly closes. The 4 hour still got 3 more hours left, so this 4 hour could always flip and then target back these lows. So I mean, that's definitely possible. Fluidity, what up, bro? What up? Yeah, they got the guy. They got the guy. All right, this hourly. Let's see how this hourly closes right now. Yo, I appreciate you guys for watching though. We got 8 people watching, 8 people watching. Solid, that's solid. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you guys have any questions or ideas, you guys want to let them know in the chat. All right, we closed bullish. So let's see what this next candle opens up like. Let's see how this half hour closed. This half hour closed back into the range right here. So like I was saying though earlier, was I did think this level right here needed to be tapped. So maybe this could still need to be tapped right here. I would take it. Let's see. Oh yeah, that is exactly right there. Boom. Boom. There it is. 23.5. That'll be already 10 pips. Yeah, I think it's coming down. Excuse me. Yeah, I think it's coming down to here, and then like I said, it needs to tap this level. But if I'm right that it needs to tap this bottom level right here, then and then it turns back around, then it starts to go up, then that's gonna be the next idea. But that's where I'm saying is that in order for it to go up, I believe it needs to tap these lower level right here. But I should have got where I would have wanted to get in would have been on this candle right here, 50% range, which is the range of this first big candle. You can see that this candle right here is the range. So what usually happens in something that needs to, like the fact that we needed to tap this, let me know we need to come down. So what usually happens is the 50% of this candle right here usually gets filled, and that's where we probably should have taken that trade from as the sell. Because like I said, if I figured this was my target, which is down here, if not right here, then we should be looking for sales on the opposite way, going this way. So we should be looking for sales at the point of like, we don't take a sell until we see like our idea playing out, going like that, boom, and that's where you would want to take it, type of thing, you know what I mean? So but yeah, that's where the entry would have rather been. So but yeah, like I said, it needs to come down here, I believe. But my idea though is that it needs to come to here. The next idea would be here. So if it breaks through here and then it keeps coming down, then it's a different idea of what I'm thinking of. But what I think could possibly happen is something like that, where we start moving up after we tap this level. We'll see right now, but looking for buys at that level, yeah. So earlier it tapped almost into the PW 27. PW POC is at 23.14. Yeah. Yeah, so that's kind of what I'm thinking right there. But then this is also what I'm saying though, is that okay, so like there's steps to all of this idea of what my idea is at. So we need to tap here first. So before this idea is that we needed to tap up to here. But it's not just gonna go straight up there, make it that easy. So what the next step I seen though is that this needed to be tapped. So if this area needs to be tapped, and then I am correct, and then it does start to move up, if it starts to close above these levels, like I said, if this was the target, then that means at some point, once we start closing above these highs over here, we could possibly start looking for a trade to maybe go back up towards this way. But that's what I'm saying, is that it's gonna give me my like information I need around these levels right here. So if we close below and start closing like this and start doing this, then this whole idea is washed out, because what I'm thinking of is that it needs to happen a certain way, because lows need to be tapped and then highs need to be tapped. So if that's the case, then like I said, these things will probably plan out this way. But if I'm wrong, so this is why I say too, it's good to have a plan and a playbook in a sense of understanding what type of trades you take over and over that you could repeat, because it goes to the part of knowing exactly of like, okay, if it taps this level, I'm taking a buy up to this level. If that's your plan, then when it doesn't go according to your plan, then you know that idea wasn't correct, because because your plan is a certain thing. It's something that you've been able to gather information over time after time and stuff like that. So like I said, the plan is all stuff that you've gathered, all your information you've gathered. So you should know, okay, if it breaks this low, like my idea would be if it breaks this low right here or closes below this area, then this whole idea to go up to here is invalid. But as long as it stays inside of this range, which is part of my plan, then this idea is still valid. So that's why I say it's important to have a plan, because when you have a plan, if it doesn't go according to your plan, then you know you could scratch that off the list in a sense, you know. So that's why I was saying though, is that if my plan is for this to be tapped and then go up, it needs to tap here and then start going up. If it starts doing something different, closing below, then it lets me know that my whole plan of, oh, we need to go up here to these highs is not correct. So I need to find another plan. And then if it starts to, like I said, if it starts to do exactly like I'm explaining, and then it starts to follow my plan, then when it starts to close above certain levels, it's almost like, yeah, that is the breakout, or this is the level, because it's just now, like I said, if my next plan is to tap up here or something, then I know this closure above is probably the move now, because it's like I said, it's all part of my plan. If my next plan is, okay, if we close above here, we're going to target these highs or something like that, then like I said, if it starts following the plan, it just makes it that much easier. Fluidity, let me check up your chart. GBP GPY buys. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Fluidity sent in his chart. You guys could send in your charts too. It's always good. Don't worry about it. You guys could always do that. Alright, so we did that there. Got that there. Boom. Let me make sure I got... excuse me. Oh, okay, I see. Tyler. Alright. Let's see. Alright, fluidity. Let's see what you let's see what you're looking at. Oh, dude, that looks nice right there, bro. That looks like a beautiful buy right there. Hey, fluidity. All right, that's a good plan right here. Okay, I'm using the top of this picture as my pointer, because I'm thinking you guys can see that, right? But you can see that this first candle, I'm using the top left corner. You see how this red candle right there, that's pretty much the range that you're in. So as you're in this candle range, it needs to at least go back up to this top of the range right here. So that's where you'll probably be your point of interest, like maybe either going break even or closing partials, or just however you like to manage it. But this area right here is definitely going to be a point of interest. So if you I would look, just keep an eye out for that level. But if it does start closing above, and then it has a range to go all the way back up to your target, which is your TP. So that's definitely a good setup right there. Everything looked perfect right there. That looked nice. Yeah, it was a beautiful buy right there, bro. Beautiful buy. Oh, look, guys. Look at what happened. Look at what happened. Oh, all right. Plan 1 activated. Plan 1 activated. Let's go. Let's see if this does push up now. Because like I said, that was part of the plan, was to at least just tap there. So probably what I should have did was take a buy at that level. I should have took a buy there. That's where I should have took it in the buy. Boom, right when it bounced off that. All right, we're gonna see now. The next plan right here is to start moving up towards these levels right here. All right, so it did close below. It closed back inside this range. So I think what we need to do now though is tap the top of this range right here. But I mean, we could always tap this top of this range and then go back down. So I mean, it's definitely a possibility, but we're gonna see right now. We're gonna see. It's just definitely respecting this level though, so it's definitely just ranging in this level. Yo, hold on one second. You know, let's see. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. All right. New channel time. Oh, that was why, cause somebody. That's where I had my gold buys from Asian session. Let's go. Good job, man. Yeah, appreciate you guys for watching though. Appreciate it. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe. Let's get this stream to a little bit more people. Let's get it to more people. All right, so part 1 of the plan has been activated. So let's see if that was the plan. The next plan is to start coming up here, closing above. If we close above here, then we could start targeting these highs over here. Definitely gonna see how it goes. was wondering how you streaming at this hour. I was wondering how you stream. Oh, bro, it's my day off of work today, so I actually got a day off, so I'm off today. But it's 7:15 in the morning for me right now, so it's a little early. I'm usually up at like 5 in the morning, so that's how I'm streaming right now. But I got up looking for Dawn's stream and I didn't see it, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get up in a half hour. So I went back to sleep for about half hour. I was like, let him get back on, and then still nothing. And then that's when I kind of said I finally seen him post on Instagram saying that his channel got a strike. So that's when I was just like, forget it, I'll just hop on stream, might as well just see what's up. I can't take no days off. Like some days I'll be having like there'll be a day I'll take like a loss or something, and then I'll feel like, damn man, it's just like it's kind of like a blow to the stomach, kind of. You're like, damn man, you know, you did a bunch of work and then you took a loss, and it's just like, I don't know, it just kind of affects me a little bit still sometimes. So I was almost thinking like, if I took a loss the other day. So when I took a loss the other day, I was like, man, I might have to not stream, or, you know, I might just chill, this and that. So I was like, but that's why I'm like, yeah, I can't let that affect me. I just gotta keep it pushing, keep it moving. You know, on to the next trade, pretty much. Same ideas, just keep going. Push, 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 no days off. Consistency is the key. Consistency is the key. Man, this thing moved up. Boom here, 22, 23, 23. Wow. All right, let's see how this thing starts to push. Let's see how it's pushing. So it does do what do they call it? Drive range liquidity. So if this is liquidity, then we could start pushing up. All right, so yeah, like I said, look, that's a good idea. That was a good idea. Look at right off of the bottom of this area, boom. And do you guys want to know how I figured out this candle right here? Now that I don't think anybody cares, but do you want to know why I chose this candle? I just want one person to be like, yeah, I want to know. I don't know, and I'll tell you. But if not, then it's cool. It's not like y'all listen to me anyways, but yeah, look at, okay, we're going up, we're pushing up now, we're pushing up. There it is. Let's see. Damn, that would have been the buy though. That was the buy that I should have trusted myself a little more. Got to know a buy there. Held it. Just break even type of thing. Stops right here. Not bad. All right, so this candle did close it close above? It closed above. Did it close above the wicks? No, it didn't close above the wicks. But look at, you can see it closed pretty much right at that level right there. So I think what will happen now, and if you look to the left, there's all this clean range right here. So for the most part, the next resistance is not till this high right here. So I think it'll at least come up to this high up here. If it flips, I think it could push to the top. Peace, the bill collector, what up? So yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna push up to this area right here. There it goes, it's flipping. Let's see. This would be the area. Okay, so it closed respecting. It closed back in the range technically. All right, so now look. Okay, let's see the next area. It's gonna probably need a tap. I think it's going to need a tap here. If not, it's just gonna push up, but damn. All right, I think that might be the move now. Let's see. Start pushing up. There it goes. Damn. There it goes. Yeah. So we need to start coming up. I would have wanted to take the buy from here, right here. Boom. And then take it up to here at least. Definitely buys, yup. Oh, this 5 didn't have a bottom wick. Yeah, I wanted to wait for this 5 to have a bottom wick, but it just broke. Look at, there it goes. It's straight up to the top of that area like we were expecting. Did tap that range, and now it's kind of coming back. So let's see if it flips. It needs, like I said, I was thinking it needed to come back up to these levels up here. Yeah, there it goes. Let's see. All right, let's see. Cent. Yo, Clark, what up? All right, let's see how this goes. Yeah, this is still bullish. Everything closing bullish. So let's see how this closes. If this closes above these levels right here, then that's where I'm thinking our next levels will at least be the bottoms of here, if not here. Boom, there it goes, pumping. Boom, broke the highs. Let's see, 6 pips top loss. Cent. Thing is sending. I appreciate you guys for watching. Let's see, hold on. And look at this whole wick. Got this whole wick to fill right here, at least all the way up here to 26. There it goes. Take it to the daily chart, you'll see more. Yeah. The daily, and look at the daily got no top wick. Imagine if this thing flips. Oh, that thing's gonna flip all the way back to the top of here. Crazy. All right, let's see how this 5-minute closes. I'm wondering if this could be the 5-minute break above and it starts to push up after that. It did close one. Okay, it did respect the highs. Okay. Take a buy right here. Let's see. Right at the break of the highs of this guy. Once I seen it break that high, I said, okay, it needs to go. Let's see, 10 pips is here. This is about 10 pips. So around the highs of these areas right here, I'll probably go break even. Oh, I'm gonna move my stops down here. All right, let's see. Let's see how it goes. All right, I'm gonna move my stops a little bit higher. So we are around this. Let's see, this is only 7 pip area, but I want to see if maybe we go break even around these areas, because you're not saying it could flip, but I should have been in a little bit lower too, but it is what it is. It's all good. I do see it possibly coming up to these levels though, so I'm wondering if we could hold a runner or something. So around these levels, I'm gonna go break even right now. I'm gonna go break even just in case it turns around, but I do think it needs to come up to these levels right here, possibly these levels. Good thing. Maybe I'm gonna probably try to hold to these levels up here, see how it goes. If it breaks even, but if it, oh, there it goes. Let's see. It did. What I've been noticing a lot though is that when you have a candle that breaks a high without a bottom wick, it usually signals like a buying pressure. Like, oh, let's see if it gets me out. I'm still in. Oh, let's see if we survived it. Let's go. Surviving it. I'm up around 10 pips or so. Damn, dub in the chat, dub in the chat. Dub in the chat, y'all, dub in the chat. I justified by 0.1. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's hope this next one doesn't do us. Let's hope this next one doesn't do us. I almost kind of trust this position so much that I almost want to bring my stops back to where I kind of had them originally. Yo, dub. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. Oh, bruh. How we do that one though? Okay, right now we're up about 10, 13 pips or so. We're dancing around 13, 14 pips right now. So, I don't know how low we're gonna go, because what I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about closing my whole position at one time, but I want to close it all at like either the top of here. Look at, there's 2 levels. There's a level here, and then there's a level, let me put it back white, and then there's also a level here. So this level is 23 pips, this level is 28 pips, and then this level is 54 pips. But I'm thinking it needs to come up to these levels. So I don't know. I'm going to see how I hold up. I might be able to hold up in there. Let's go. Up 35 pips. Let's go. Great TA, mate. Great TA, mate. Let's go. What you guys feeling though? Oh, let's go. All right, we're at like 28 pips already. I'll probably trail my stops now. I'm probably gonna trail my stops. Oh, so look at exactly at these levels we got rejected at. Boom. So I'm up about 32 pips right now, 30 pips or so right now. And I have two positions, so what I do is I cut my one position into two positions, so that way I could manage it. Like I could close half and I could leave a runner or something. So like kind of like Wix does, how Wix does his, that's kind of how I manage mine too. So I still have two positions fully open right now, but so in total I'm up 42 pips right, or 44 pips right now in total. But my one position is at 29, 30 pips right now. So it's dancing around there right now, but fluidity up 100 pips. Bro, I just seen that message. No way, bro, up 100 pips. Let's go. Hey man, like I said, I'm not closing yet. I feel strongly about this. Like I really do see this 50 pip area getting tapped. So I still have two positions open. So I might just close one and I might leave the other one to run, but I'm up 52 pips total right now with both of my positions, because it's like I said, it's two positions cut. So one position is up 30 pips and the other one is up 20 pips or so. So long at 21. Let's go. Oh, bro, we're running, bro. Running. She's a runner. She's a track star. She's a runner. She's a track star. And we're still in this too. We're up. We're up right now 40 pips. I'm still in this. I'm up 40 pips right now. And with my second position, I got 67 pips right now. I don't know, man. I might try to go to the full TP, y'all. What you thinking? I'm looking at 32. Bro, I'm gonna get out before that, just for the reason is that I want to make sure, like my 29 level is actually undercutting my 30 level. It's actually at 30, but I'm undercutting it just to be on the safe side. Like I always try to undercut a little bit for like spreads and stuff. Wonder if we get that date flip. Hey y'all, but look, imagine this, y'all. Look, check this out, guys. Look on the daily chart. Imagine this daily flips. If this daily flips right here, imagine it flips. We have this whole range of a candle right here. What if we end up tapping all the way to the top of this range, which is at 23.85? 23.85, which is still, let's say currently from where we're in at to the top will be 600 pips. Imagine. Y'all crazy. You guys are crazy, y'all. You guys just want all these pips. Man. Oh my goodness, y'all. It's a good day today. I held it down for Dawn today. So look, I'm back down to 33 pips. I'm kind of second guessing this idea. I'm wondering if I should hold or not, but I think we're gonna hold strong. I'm still, like I said, in total I'm still up 50 pips. So we're gonna see how this 5-minute closes. If this 5-minute could close above this candle, it will definitely tell me higher prices. So I think if we could close above this top wick right here, I think it'll at least signal to me higher prices, which is will probably break that high. But if we close inside of this candle, then we could always come back down. I don't want to hold that withdrawal, so I might just end up closing right now or seeing what happens right now. Or I might leave one position. You know what? I might leave one position just so I could see how a runner goes. But then again, I could just call it. I don't need to try to milk every dollar, because I know I could find another one of these trades, you know. 26 level holding strong, exactly. Just be patient on the hold. The bill collector, let's go. Hey bro, I feel you, bro. I feel you. I hear you though. I hear you. But this is why I was saying is that this is what I'm kind of worried about, is that, well, that did close back into that, so we might need to come back up to this high. So we might need to break this high at least. But then this is what I'm worried about, is I just don't want to hold in. Look at it, closed inside of here, so that says lower prices usually. Wick below says lower prices, or wick above means lower prices. So if we can break lower prices, then it's just, this is just, we might come back down and then up. I could be wrong though. I could be wrong. Let's see. All right, you know what? Let's see how this holds up right here. Let's see how this holds up right here. Depending how it holds up around these areas is how I'm going to probably manage it. Last week's value area high is where it was rejected at 27.5. Exactly. Yup. That's probably why. All right, let's see. All right. I'm still up 30 pips, so it's like, but plus the other position, I'm up 47 pips. So I'm not even mad. It's like I could be done for the day with that. I could be done, but man, I think we might just try to push it. What do you guys think, chat? You guys think we should try to push it, or should we try to secure? What do you guys think? You guys think we should just follow our plan, and our plan was TP at 29? Think we should just follow the plan? Let's see. Put a dub in the chat if you think we should just follow the plan and let it hit TP. Come on, chat. What you guys think, chat? Let's go, chat. Man, chat is dead right now. That's crazy, though. Oh, we got 17 people watching right now. You guys watching us in this trade right now? Man. All right, y'all. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to end up, let's see. That did close back right there. Boom, right there. I'm going to end up closing. I'm thinking about closing some of my position right here. Depending how this 1 minute right here closes, I might close some of my position right here. Because I just want to secure a win on the stream too. Because not that it matters that I'm on stream, but it's just like, you know what I mean? I need to secure a win. I don't want to I don't want to win to just run out of my fingertips, you know? Do we close back in the range, or do we close back below? This is what I'm wondering right here. This is where I'm kind of watching out for. We could close back below the range, or we could close back in the range and then, oh, there it goes. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Oh man. All right. I'm still up 13 pips. So I'm gonna just let it rock. If it hits break even, it hits break even. It is what it is. You guys seen that? We're trying to go for the full TP. I'm just gonna go full TP here. I'm not gonna move it or nothing. If it hits break even, it is what it is. Let's see. Oh, my bad. I'm trying to see how much these stops would be if I did have stops. If I had stops over here. Forget where's it at? 20. Forget where it was at. Wherever. Anyways, if I had stops, I forget where it was at. Somewhere right here. All right. If I had stops right here, that would be 15 pips. If I had it down here, that would be 50 pips. That's a lot of pips. So I'm already, if I'm already break even though, what I'm kind of worried about though is that if it just wicks down below one time or something, but like that, like it's probably gonna break even though. If it breaks even, it breaks even. It is what it is, but like I said, I could find plenty of those. I'm holding. Yeah, bro, I'm holding. All right, bro, let's hold. Let's see how we do. Let's see how we do with the hold then. Let's see. Hold on. If you guys think we should hold, leave a like. Let's get to 25 likes and I'm going to hold it. I'm going to just say forget it. I'm going to hold it to the TP. If we get to 25 likes, I'm going to hold a TP. Say forget it. Let's hold a TP then. That's why I'm kind of wondering if I gave my trade a little bit of breathing room, like maybe down to here, which is only 15 pips. It's not much, but because I'm already kind of up as it is anyway, so I'm not really worried about that. But let's go. But I appreciate you guys. We got 22 people watching. Yeah, it's considered another dub. I'm still break even right now. Like I said, I'm just playing with this stop loss. I just want to see, like, I'm just trying to decide like how it's gonna, what should I do with it. But I'm wondering if I even just put it into the previous range, which would be right here. It could give me, you know, that. But let's see. Yeah, I'm still gonna be break even. I'm just break even. It is what it is. If it don't hit, it don't hit. But we were up at one point 43 pips. So that's the bummer part of it. I should have probably closed at 43. But nah, like I said, if I hold a TP, it's gonna be worth it. I'm not really mad too at the trade. It is what it is. If it hits break even, but because my idea is planning out perfectly, you know. What I should have done though was been in a buy from down here. Imagine if I was in a buy from down here, we would have already been up 80-90 pips. And that was the same plan that I was talking about, is that if we were to hit this bottom line right here, we were going to bounce off of here and start moving up. So that was kind of my plan right there. Was so if I would have just got into my first plan, it would have did that. But what I was kind of playing off of is I was thinking like 2-3 steps ahead. So at this point, I was saying if we bounce off of this line, then we're going to need to close above this line, and then we're going to target these highs. So it was just a step-by-step plan where I seen, okay, boom here, first step, bounce off, correct, close above, boom, correct, then we got in, and then that's when I said we're going to target these highs, and every single plan worked out. But the one plan that didn't, we are pushing back up, but I'm just wondering if this could be the pullback that we needed. But we're gonna see right now. Still holding strong though, still holding strong. We're still up 25 pips right now, 25 pips. And make sure you guys hit that like button, and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. We're up right now. We got 20 viewers right now. 20 viewers. And we got 22 likes, y'all. 22 likes. Let's get it up to 25 likes. 25 likes. Let's go. gonna push this price. That 25 likes is gonna push the price. 25 likes is gonna push the price. Let's go. Pump it up, y'all. Pump it up. Pump up them likes. Pump up them likes. And then watch it go break even. Yeah, it's all good, bro. We pushing P, man. We pushing P. Exactly. All right. Wick below, close above. So let's see if we could survive this bottom wick, and if this could flip bullish, then it'll be looking good. Can only like one time, unfortunately. All good, bro, all good, as long as you liked it already, because there's a lot of people that come in and leave, and new people are always coming in and out, so I just always try to remind them. Boom. Got me, y'all. Got me. What up with me, some lone trader? What up, bro? What up? And watch that be the wick right there. Yo, I'm out. Peace out, Farzo. How will Don stream this week? Man, he's not gonna be able to. His account got a strike, so when the strike, he said it says is banned for a whole week. So he's not gonna be able to stream for 7 days exactly from the ban. So if the ban was either yesterday or today, whenever it was, it'll be 7 days from today. Unless he goes on a different channel, but I don't know if he's gonna be able to do that. Well, I mean he can, but I don't know if he will do that. Or maybe Twitter. Yeah, I guess he could probably do Twitter. That actually is a good idea. I didn't think about that. Damn, how about hitting break even after being up 40 pips, huh? That's crazy. No, it's all good. I'm not tripping. Because, bro, I could find these trades all day. I'm confident. I'm confident in myself. I know what I could do. I'm reading it like a book sometimes. So when I'm on the right side of things, I'm just cooking. So I'm not worried about it. I'll cook another one. I cooked another one. I cooked the 60 pip trade yesterday. So that's why I'm saying it's like that 60 pip trade, I could cut that into two, and that's like 30 pips for yesterday, 30 pips for today. I'm still up 30 pips in my head, because it's like I said, those big 60 pip wins is like, that's good enough for two trades. So that's why I kind of like the next trade, if I'm in a trade I think I'm in a good position, I'll just hold it longer, just for the reason that I do think it needs to go to a certain level, so I'll hold it longer, just because I also know I won one the day before, or earlier in the day, or whatever it was, you know. So that's kind of my idea too about it, is depending on like how my last trade went is kind of how I'll manage the current trade. And especially, like I said, if let's say I lost my last two trades or something, I'm not gonna hold that trade all the way to TP, you know. I'm just gonna secure the dub, take my 30-40 pips, whatever, and then move on to the next trade and just try to do it again, you know. But there's times when I'll take a win and I'll be like, okay, since I took that good win, I'll try holding this one a little bit longer and see how it goes. And then sometimes if it plays out, it works out. If not, yeah, Joshua, I took a trade. Some people closed off in profit. I ended up just hitting break even, but yeah, I hit break even. Dawn, can you share Twitter link to, I guess Twitter. Dawn, can you share Twitter link to all the followers and community posts? Can you share Twitter link to all the followers? Oh yeah, I got you. Dawn's Twitter, right? Lone Trader. You talking about Dawn's Twitter? Yeah, this thing's pushing down though. Let's see. Hold on. I did say something about that. So let's see. That was that. Damn, it's really struggling at this level though. Look at this level, boom, rejected. At this level, rejected. At this level, rejected. It's really rejecting that land. Look at every time, boom, we came way down here. Last time came way down here. So I'm wondering, what does this mean? Does this mean we're gonna come way down there again, or possibly bounce off? Probably. Yeah, on the clip. Don't. Yeah, I got you, Lone Trader. I'm gonna post it right now. Let me get his Twitter right now. I appreciate you guys for watching though. Appreciate you guys for watching. We're at 24 likes, almost at 24 likes. I shared it in Discord chat. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna post it on the Donvo Clips community chat. So I post a lot of things right there for Don. Yeah, it's Donvo. Yeah, Lone Trader. I posted it in the community chat. Hey man, we be over there in the community Donvo Clips chat. You know what I mean, chatting it up and stuff. You guys are missing out, man. You guys gotta go lock in, tap in to the community chat over there. You know, get that 411. I mean, the 27 level. Why is it getting rejected there? And I could probably tell you why right now. Let me find out why. 4 hour, boom. Look, boom. All right. We have these rejections, boom. Let's see. Thank you. Yes, sir. Good. Yeah, you're welcome, Lone Trader. Yeah, look at. Yeah, y'all go follow the Clips channel. Yeah, look in Discord, mate. Nah, man, I'm telling you, Dean or Dan. I'm telling you, bro. You guys gotta be over here. We over here. Look at that Donvo Twitter link. Boom. Look, I posted the this a whole hour ago. You know what I mean? We have the exclusive Donvo updates right here. Chat, Don's YouTube channel got a strike and can't live stream for a week. Boom. Damn, people already commented. New channel time. Oh, there you go. Ha, bro. Can you share Twitter link to all their followers? Yes, sir. My bad. I just seen those messages. I just seen it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's funny. Beginning of trade versus hitting TP. Damn, look at this thing. This thing is kind of, if this ends up becoming the range, then we have this whole range right here to come all the way back down again. And I kind of didn't see that. But I figured this was the range though. This did have the whole range right here, and we did fill in this wick right here. So I'm just wondering if that's all it was gonna do, was just fill in that wick. Because like I said, this candle right here created this long top wick. So I figured if it creates that long top wick, it's gonna fill it in, which it did, but then it just reversed right after that. So I'm just wondering, it's like, let's see, where's the next area it could be targeting? Oh, it did target these previous highs right here. You see, this would be the next previous high, because this is the this is that candle high on that hourly, which is right here, right? Look, this is the high. Oops. So I go to the 15, you can see that this is all the high, but the next previous high before here is this guy right here. So when I move the when I move it to this previous high, which is right here, look at how it tapped it perfectly. It tapped it perfectly, and then that's where it reversed that. So I'm just wondering though, okay, what's the next move now? So if that's the move, it taps that, boom, and then it rejects, boom, then that means this move is in motion now. So I need to figure out what's the next move after this, to try to figure out the next direction. And if you look, this did hit the 50 line, which is this 50 mark that we talk about. Right here in the middle of that. Did hit that perfectly. Oh, you know what? I think, was that the line? No, was that? I think this was the line right here. Okay, but look at this, is the 30 right here. So if this 30 ends up flipping back bullish, we could start seeing something start pushing. But let's see, the hourly actually is going to close right now in 2 minutes also. So if the hourly ends up closing bullish again, it created another top wick, and the range is even higher now. So I'm wondering if the next one could do the same exact thing, maybe create a bottom wick and then turn back bullish again. Yo, what up? I didn't know you were live. Hell, YouTube not sending. Ah, bro, that's messed up. YouTube trying to do you. You missed the trade earlier, bro. We were in a trade. How about look, we took this buy earlier, right? And we were up. We were up at the peak 42 pips, and I didn't close. I just went break even because I wanted these highs to be tapped. I should have probably left my stops though. Just the normal wherever they were at, but I ended up just going break even and it tapped me out, but it's all good. But yeah, like I said, it's all good. I'm just happy that I could find these trades. This is just like clockwork, bro. Yeah, I know. Nah, I just wanted to see a tap, but it's cause I'm already up from last night. So I took a win last night. So I was like, okay, so since I took a win last night, I could risk this, cause I wanted to go full TP. I want to either break even or full TP at that point. So, but yeah, like I said, it's because I already won yesterday. So I was like, all right, since I won yesterday, I'm going to try to risk this one. At least break even is not bad, but risking it and see what happens. Well, it's on you. Yeah. Yeah. No, but yeah, like I said, is that it was more of a thing is that I already pretty much won enough pips yesterday to where if I didn't close it, or if I close it in profit, whatever, or if I close it at break even, it wasn't gonna matter because, like I said, I'm already up for pretty much for today too. Cause I wanted the full TP, cause that was my real plan, is that full TP, and watch it probably actually go up to full TP. Yup. Yeah, this thing is looking good right here though. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. We got 24 people watching, I appreciate it. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button, hit that like button. We got 25 likes. Let's hit 35 likes. We got 10 more likes to go. I appreciate you guys for watching though. Appreciate it. Yeah, I think this is gonna go up too from right here. I almost wanted to take another buy right here, but I think we're good right now for right now. Tyler, let's go. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Well. There it goes. Look who we have here. Tyler. What up, bro? Now be careful what we say. Was that a lighter? Puff pass, Farzo. Puff pass. Ooh, this thing is moving. Damn. Here it comes. I think it's going up. It's going up. Close below. previous low. Boom. Let's see. Let's see right now. Yo, Jordy, what up, bro? What up? Dub in the chat. Dub in the chat. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Hey, when you guys spam like that, you guys actually help it. So keep spamming, bro. Spam more. Like it'll show the stats. It'll show the stats of like the of like how many comments I got, and it'll show a bunch of comments, but it's just probably from spam and stuff. Yes, go. Tyler spam boy. Tyler, oh, I didn't make Tyler a mod so he could spam. Biddy says spam. Let's go. Run up the comments. Let's go. I appreciate it, fellas. Yeah, it was good though. It was a good day. I'm thinking, I was like, man, I probably should have closed half and let them run, but then that's my kind of problem too, is like, if I'm gonna close, I should have closed, because the only reason why I'm closing is because I believe it's gonna be a pullback. You know what I mean? So if it's gonna be a pullback, I might as well just close the whole position and look for a way to get back into the trade to go back up or something. But you know, that's all part of the next plan. You crack the algo. Yeah, crack the algo, bro. That's how we do it. We crack the algo right there with that. Bro, look, what if we all get 100 people and we watch all of our lives at the same time, and we just spam each other's comments, and we just run up the views for each other. Yeah, this thing is boom. That close below. Farzo. Damn, this thing is closing above. Well, this 4 hour still needs 2 more hours to close. So depending how this 4 hour closes. Run up some on mine. Hey man, for real, let's do it. Y'all, let's do a how about like this, yo? Look, I host a stream, and we just host a stream of just like subbing to each other. So it's just like a subathon, and we just sub to each other, get everybody up to 1,000 subs, and then we just spam watch all the videos, so we could run up the hours of watch time you need, and we all get monetized. Yeah, that's crazy though, man. I can't believe this thing just didn't keep running though. Imagine if this thing kept running. Stoic, bro. What up, bro? What up? Yo, let's go. Spam off. Let's go. Stoic is winning. Oh, Raj is coming through. Alright, Raj won. He was last. Alright, this thing is moving down now. So what I'm kind of seeing now though is that this being the candle right here. So this being the whole range right here. So if that's the range, since we touched the top of it, now there's a good chance that we need to touch the bottom of it. So that's kind of what I'm seeing on this now. So this might be done now. This might have been the high we needed to tap before coming down possibly, but I seen it going up to possibly 29-30 area. So I just wondering if this could just be a possible pullback, because you start looking at a pullback, you'll start finding these levels of support. You're gonna see support here, support here, support here. So all three of these levels right here is pretty strong. It's all a pretty strong level of like of support, this whole level right here. So this is kind of why, if you kind of look, this is where we're getting all of this bounce at, boom boom. But it's just all because of these levels over here to the left on a smaller time frame. That's what you see right here, like all these supports right here. Because if you go to a higher time frame, it's just one big candle, which is the range right here, which is, you know, this whole candle range. So this whole candle range is just this right here. So this is what I usually do. It makes it a lot easier too to understand the ranges and stuff. So I know this is what you were talking about the other day too, is like when you see that this is a candle right here and this is like the range we're in, when you draw a line above it and below it, then you go down to like the 5 minute, or you go down to the 1 minute, then you can see that everything that makes up that one candle range on a smaller time frame. So like I said on the what time frame was it, 15? Yeah, like I said, if this is the 15-minute time frame and this is the one candle you're talking about, which is the high and then the low of it, then you go down to the 1 minute, then you can see pretty much everything that makes up that 15-minute candle, which is the range from the bottom to the top. And as you can see, what happened in this pretty much is this, in this drawing right here, is that look, we tapped the bottom, now we tap the top. Now is a good chance the next thing is going to be, we might need to tap the bottom again. So if we start working our way back down again, once we start breaking these lows, then there's a good chance that we come back down to here again. But like I said, that's how you can find that that's the range of that candle, which is pretty much, like I said, this is the bottom of it, this is the top of it. On a higher time frame, it's just one big candle. It was just one body, right? Just the body right here. But when you break it down to a smaller time frame, all of these candles pretty much make up that one candle right there. So that's how you know that's like the range that you're kind of trading in, because like I said, it becomes the range, the candle on a bigger time frame. And if I go to a 15-minute, all of this pretty much is just on a bigger time frame. Like let's say the 4-hour or the daily, for instance, it'll just be one big candle. Let me go back over here. Yeah, like this, pretty much. It's just gonna be one big candle right there. So all of that on the smaller time frame is all within that candle, right? So yeah, that's just kind of the idea of what I look at. So if that's kind of what I see kind of forming right now, so if that was the case, then that might need to come back down all the way down here, and that's kind of why we're probably coming down to these levels. It does kind of make sense. It does look like we're kind of coming down. So I'm wondering if we close below, is there a way we possibly take a sell or something? Because if we close below that, the next low is going to be down here at 21.9, and that's not that far away. But, and like I said, where I would want to take a trade is if I'm looking for a sell, I'm not just taking a sell at the break of here. What I want to do is take the sell on the re-break of something that comes up to before going down. So it'll probably be the re-break of these highs. We're probably going to come back up here, make people think we're going to break out, and then we're going to look for sells right here, like an onion play, to possibly target these lows like that. So like I said, you wouldn't want to take a sell right here. I mean, obviously you can. It's just different scenarios, but the idea though is that if you know something needs a pull back or something, this is where you're going to be taking your sell when it starts to move back up and then coming back up, and then it starts to pull back down. So look at we're starting to pull back up right now. I'm wondering if this could this could be a possible pullback to come back down, because like how I was saying is that it needs to come back up to these highs right here. So I'm wondering, let me see, hold on, oops, let me see, it needs to go back to the high of there, and it's gonna go to the previous high, which is that, and it's gonna get rejected, I think. So if it gets rejected from that, then the next low is going to be down here. So I'm wondering if it closes above here, it's going to continue up, but if it closes underneath here, then I think it's going to need to come back down to here, to these levels, and then going up. Let's see, hold on. Okay, there it goes. Okay, it touched these lows. Now I think it's going to go up from here. Let's see if it goes up from here or it continues down. All right, but yep, like I was saying though, it did need to close below there. It's gonna signal in these lower prices. Okay, so there's that, there's that. That's where you would have wanted to take the sell at. Like I said, you would take the sell from here on this move up to come down. That's the sell I was looking for. It was a little late for that, but I did see it coming down. If it, like I said, if it closes below there, it would need to come down. But so the next level is going to be around here, 21.9. 21.9. So 21.9. All right. So yeah, like I was saying though, is that if this ends up becoming the range that we're in, we might need to tap all the way down here. So this is kind of why I was already expecting a sell kind of in this area, is understanding that if we're looking for sell, that's where you take a sell at. You take sells on the pullbacks up to come down like that. That way it gives you a smaller stop and it gives you more of a range to kind of play with. But I do see this being a possible breakout. Once it breaks these lows, it's gonna probably come down. Okay, that closed back inside of there. Break of those lows is gonna push. Break of those lows is gonna push. Let's see. Alright, broke that low there. Okay, let me see. Oops. Broke that low there. It's gonna need to go to the previous low, which would be here. So it's gonna close below there. Alright, I think it's gonna react at this level right here. This is gonna be a level it's gonna react at. So what's probably gonna happen, let's see. If it closes inside of this range, I think it needs to come up. If it closes below, then it's probably gonna need to come down. Alright, so let's see. If it breaks these lows, it's most likely just gonna continue down. There it goes, okay. So yeah, that was the sell I was kind of thinking about. Like I said, I wanted to try to take a sell into that, but it's all good, it's all good. And then the previous low to that is there, right there. Man, I don't want sales. I need that top wick buys. Yeah, I need that daily top wick buys. Come on, go do it. Yeah. Like right here would be the lows. Boom. That's exactly where we tapped at. So we tapped exactly right there before rejecting. So that was a good sign. Yeah. Alright, now it does have this whole wick to fill, so it does need to come back down again. Boom, boom. Okay, now that could be the bottom wick. Boom, boom. Let's see. The bottom area is over here though. So I'm wondering, so if it comes all the way down, it's gonna need to come down here. Then it's gonna need to break this low right here. So it's gonna be this low right here that I think needs to get broken. So if this low gets broken, that is where it's going to make a decision. I believe it's either gonna bounce up right here to go continue up, or it's gonna close below and then it's gonna continue down like that. Look at, we are reacting right here at this level, so I'm wondering if this could be the possible range that we're in now. So we're gonna need to make a decision. We touched the bottom, now we need to touch the top of here. So if we need to touch the top, I think we need to come up here at least, and then like I said, it's either we're gonna close back in here to come back down, or we're gonna close above, and then we could probably start targeting these other highs over here. Like I said, this becomes the range that we're in. Buy zone, please. Buy zone, please. Yeah, that thing straight dumped after that. Imagine we would have got into sales from there. Boom. It would have been up 60 pips. We would have been eating, man. We're on the wrong side of things. Yo, the retracement is tough. Yeah, this thing is crazy right now. This thing is wild, bruh. Can't believe how wild this is right now. But now, if you can see right here on the 5, this becomes the range now we're in. So we'll be in these two ranges again, either coming up to the halfway mark, or that may be what it is then. Alright, so that's on the 1, and that's on the 5. So look, this is just what I just noticed right now. Okay, as you can see, this is a range that I was talking about we're in, right? This is the top of it. And then when I go to the 5 minute, which is a higher time frame, it's this same thing. This is the candle range, this is the bottom of it, this is the top of it. But as you can see, there's the 1 minute one that is the right in between the halfway mark. So if it gets rejected right here, then what that's going to tell me, is going to give me data right now, is that if there's also a 1 minute, a 5 minute, 15, if there's just a multiple time frames resistance areas in this middle, then it's not going to go all the way to the top. It's going to get rejected at that point. But if it doesn't, then yeah, it goes all the way to the top, then that's a good sign too. But like I said, this is just gathering me data right now. So I see it going up. So like I said, there goes that range that I was talking about. So like I said, this would be the top of the range. We might be going back to the top of the range, which is at least right here. Alright, but yeah, let's see how we start reacting at these levels right here. So yeah, like I said, look at, okay, if this was the range that we were in, pretty much, we did close above, and look at closing back in the range. So this could start coming back down again. Or if it respects it, flips, continues up. But yeah, this becomes the range actually though, the range on this 5 minute. So now it needs to probably touch this before going up, and then touching the previous high, which is probably going to be at least up here. Yeah, we should be at least up here. So he's going to have to come back up here. I think it's going to have to come back up here, I think. I got a lot of lines. I gotta remove some of these lines. I gotta figure out what is what. Okay, so that was that. That's nothing then. That was nothing. Boom. Actually, I kind of liked it there. Boom. Kind of liked it there. Boom. That was it. That was it. Okay, look, boom. Straight back into the range. Back to the bottom of the range. Oh, there it goes. Alright, so like we were kind of expecting from the beginning is that this was the whole range right here. We were needing to tap this bottom area anyway. So we do need to come back down here to 19.2. So this is the top of the range, top of the bottom of the range. So we could be targeting this bottom area still. But that was the sales that we were kind of looking at earlier though, was to take the sales to come back down after a pullback, because we knew we needed to tap these lows. So look at this, would be another, like how I was thinking this would be a good sell. This would have been a good sell right here, understanding that we need to go and tap these lows, that we are looking for a pullback, which is exactly that. And I kind of didn't think about it till now, but it makes sense when you have a target that you're looking for that needs to be possibly tapped. You don't just take a sell on a breakout right here just to come down, because look at what usually happens. What you're going to do is you're going to wait for a pullback, wait for a high to get broken to come back down or something like that. But now I think this is going to come down because, like I said, it didn't break the first time. This would be the second time it broke, and this is where I do think it's going to break at right now. Could almost take a sell right here, but I'm already kind of too late. The range is already kind of too small. It'd have been 15 pips or so, but 10 pips. But it's like I said, it's already kind of too small. But no, it's a good range that, like I said, it's pretty sure it's gonna just run straight down to these levels down here. So yeah. So that's gonna close right there. So once that closes, the next candle might need to make a top wick and then probably push back down. So there it goes. Damn, that would have been a good sell to take right here. I could kind of see that right there. Perfect. Boom, sell. All right, so look, it's hitting these levels. It's hitting. Let's see how it reacts. I think if it closes back inside of this range up here, we could be targeting back up to the top. But if we start closing below, then I think the next candles will probably start targeting these lows down here. So that's going to be the next signal right there, I think, is wherever this candle closes. If it closes, like I said, respecting these lows right here, then I think it could possibly come back up to these levels, back up to here. If it starts closing below, then it's gonna kind of say we're not really respecting it. Let's see. So the 30-minute close respecting. So we probably need to come back down to here. Then it might be signaling down here, which is right here, 18 down. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe for me. I would appreciate it. I would really appreciate it. We got 35 likes, man. Let's try to hit 50 likes. Let's hit 50 likes. What do you guys think? If we hit 50 likes, I'll stay on for a little longer and just start cooking. But like I said, I already took in a trade, a break-even trade, but back down to my entry. Yeah, back down to my entry. Yeah, these are the levels right here. Closing below previous low. That is the level right there. All right. Game over. Game over. And we are still making lower highs though. Lower high, lower high, lower high. So let's see. This was the range though. So I do see us taking a possible flip around somewhere around here. Especially with these being the lows right there. I do see it kind of coming back up a little bit. Oh, let's see. Oh, appreciate you guys for watching though. Appreciate it. See how many people we got watching. It says we got 34 now. Earlier it said 35. Man, that's crazy. You guys pipping dippers? Alright, man. Yeah, and if you guys ain't following this channel yet, make sure you guys go follow this channel. This channel got a lot of good videos on here. I gotta go upload some videos in a little bit. So yeah, make sure you guys go watch this channel. This channel is pretty nice. I like it. Boom. Oh, you already got it up. Alright, alright, alright. Oh, damn, that thing dumping. Look at that, y'all. Boom. There it goes. Damn, that was the move. That was the move. I guess so. I guess so. That was the move, y'all. Yo, Bands, what up? Damn, good thing, I guess, good thing we got out of that trade then, huh? Damn, that thing was a sell for sure, for sure. That's crazy. That thing is dumping, bruh. Oh, damn. Wasn't even seeing the charts. Bruh, this thing is going crazy right now. Imagine this thing just dumps forever. Broke these lows. Broke these lows. Wow. You know what? Look at that thing. That thing is going crazy, bruh. This thing has no top wick either. That's what's even crazier about this. Is this thing ain't got no top wick. That thing going crazy. Damn, that thing is going crazy, bro. Now flipping close bullish. My goal is take one. Damn, that thing is dumping, y'all. That thing went against everything I was kind of looking at, but I seen this being the low. Okay, so like let me redo some lines then. Let me do some lines. Okay, look, this ends up becoming the low right here. So the low of that, boom, previous low of these areas, let's see, is not till here. So this thing is not gonna be, it's coming down all the way to here. Damn, that was crazy, bro. I think it needs to come down to this 09 level now. Damn, that thing just straight up dumped though, bro. That was crazy. And I thought this was gonna be the move to go back up. Damn, that thing moving, but that was the kind of the idea though. That was also what I've been kind of gathering. The data kind of what I've been gathering is that if this idea was correct, it should have just kept going. So since my break even got hit, that let me know that my idea was incorrect. So actually, that was actually, now that I'm kind of looking at it in hindsight, it definitely makes sense now why my trade, when I did want it to go push up, why it didn't go. So I'm just kind of talking out loud, but it's just kind of my idea now for the future to understand that, you know, if your plan is, this is one part of your plan, boom, waiting for this, and then your next plan is to wait for this, and then once you wait for all of these things and then you go to break even, that should be the part of the plan. So if it goes and it continues up, then your plan was correct. But if it comes back around and hits your break even, then it lets you know that your idea is incorrect now. Once it hits that break even, because like I said, in my head, and my idea was like, oh, it shouldn't hit your break even no matter what, because it's if it's right, it's not gonna go back to your break even. But now, like I said, in hindsight, I kind of understand now what it means when it says, you know, once you go break even, once it hits your break even, then your idea was invalid after that. So, but yeah, like I said, I'm just saying that for, like I said, for now, you guys to understand, for like when you guys are following your playbook and doing things like that, it's your playbook for a reason. So understanding that, I understood at that point too, when I was in that break even, that if I break even right now, it's only because my idea wasn't fully correct like I was expecting it, which is like I was expecting, you know, I think I was expecting these 29 area to get hit or something like that. So that idea was technically invalid once it hit break even. Once it hit this break even, I knew, okay, boom, this whole idea of going up here is invalid because it shouldn't break this low or whatever. But now that it broke the low, I understand that, like I said, and that was part of my plan. My plan is if it breaks this low, it's done. It's not gonna go back up to these levels like I thought it was. But yeah, this is my idea now though, is that I think it needs to tap these lows down here. I think it needs to come down here first. I'm almost thinking about taking a sell right here. Thinking if we break these lows, we're gonna need to take a sell, but I'm kind of holding off right now just because I would have rather taken this top wick. But I think once we break these lows, we are gonna start coming down here. Yeah. This 15 is about to close right now in 2 minutes, so let's see how this 15 closes. I think this 15 is gonna close, probably leaving a bottom wick, and then this next one's gonna probably create a top wick, and then maybe we might look for a sell to come down here. And this is where I think maybe here is where it's gonna reverse or turn around or do something, but I could be wrong also. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. That's where I was thinking though, was it was gonna be right here at this level, but I mean now I'm kind of looking back. These were kind of this is a 5-minute area, 5-minute area. So on a 5-minute area, there's not really, I guess, much you could say, I guess power or whatever I guess you would call it. But it's just like they're 5-minute levels compared to 4-hour levels or something, you know. So a 4-hour level is gonna be stronger than a 5-minute level and stuff like that, you know. So maybe that could have been why. create a top wick. I think it's now it's gonna come. Okay, taking. I'm really thinking about taking a short right here. You know what? I'm gonna take a short right here. I'm gonna take a short right here, and I'm gonna leave my stops right here at this 20 pip mark. If it hits 20 pips, it hits 20 pips, but I think it needs to come down. And that was kind of what I wanted, was that top wick right here to break these highs to come back down. So I'm gonna have my stops at the bottom of these lows right here. This is about 18 pips, but I'm about 10 pips. I'm gonna go break even. 10 pips, I'm gonna go break even, which is about here. We're already break even actually. So you know what? I'm gonna go break even right now. I'm gonna go break even, and then we're just gonna let it ride. Let's see if we could let it ride. Oh damn, it's gonna take me out already. Nope, let's go. Did it take me out? Oh no, it still gets me in. Oh, there it goes. It took me out. Damn it, break even. Damn, another break even, guys. All good, all good, all good, all good. I still see it needing to come down though. I still see it needing to come down. That was the put. That was the only thing is though, is that was kind of why it was a little bit risky, because the fact that we are at a small range already. I thought it was just gonna push now. I thought I kind of read it as just straight pushing, but I guess not. It's all good. It's all good. That's how you cook though. That's how you cook. That's how you cook. I appreciate you guys for watching though. We got 25 people watching and we got 40 likes. But I guess it was a good thing we got out of stock. We got out break even, because that thing just turned around for 25 pips. Crazy. Close below, previous low, boom. Now previous high. So I'm thinking now it might need to come up here. If it comes up here and then reverses, then you might do the same thing where we might just come back down to here. Damn. Damn, 2 break evens, man. 2 break evens. And I'm doing it all on my phone too, so like why I get in and out of my trades on my phone and stuff like this. I just do it right here so it's a visual for you guys. So took the same trade as you, bro. Had the same. Daniel, look at, watch right here, Daniel. Watch this be the one that pushes down to the bottom. Watch, man. If it does, I'm gonna be mad, bro. Same. I'm on my phone. Yeah. See, I'm not even mad, bro. I think this is gonna be the one that pushes right here. Watch. Here it comes. Flip. If he flips, he's going. If he flips, he's going. Man. Oh, there we go. Here we go, y'all. Let's see it. Let's see it. He's a runner. 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 Of course, it runs after. So maybe it needed to break that high one more time. Like you see, look, I thought this was the high that got broken. Boom, we're good to go. But then now, boom, that high was the one that broke it. And now we need to break these lows. Wow, that's crazy. So maybe that too, though, is that we just need a. It's still kind of early in the day. I get, well, it's 9 o'clock for me, 12 o'clock for New York. Um, I'm wondering if the volume is kind of dying out. Maybe could be why. Well, but that right there was the drop right there. I was on the wrong side of this one, but I'm not even mad. But and look at this one. I almost caught this one too. Break even. Of course it goes, right? Of course it goes right now. That's crazy, bro. Man, these guys really playing. All right, so yeah, that all did that. That did that. So the next move would be, let's see, it's going to be right here. So I think it could still come down here. And that was the 15-minute top wick that created all that. That is the 5-minute. Boom. It's going to go. Damn. Yeah, I'm not even mad though, man. We've been cooking though. We can't even be mad today, y'all. Can't even be mad. I appreciate you guys for watching though. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button, hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. We got 40 likes. Let's get 10 more likes, y'all. 10 more likes and I'll stay on. I'll stay on for a little longer. How long we been on already? We've been on for 2 hours, bro. Get that to 50 likes and I'll stay on for a little longer, but if not, I'll probably be getting off in a bit. Let's see. Oh yeah, no, I still think this needs to come down to these lows right here. So if that's anything, this could be just a pullback to come back down. But yeah, let's get to 50 likes, y'all. 50 likes and I'll stay on for a little longer. So I gotta cook. Yo, we out. Peace out, Farzo. Peace out, bro. Appreciate you for stopping by. Appreciate you for stopping by, hanging out. You know, I'm chilling for a little bit. Appreciate it. So let's see how this goes. Let's see if this thing continues up from here. What is that? Oh, that was that trade. That's what it was. No, I don't think that was it though. I don't think that was the move. But then that is the low of that. But yo. Damn, this thing moving up. Okay, so look, this could be an area of interest right there. Let's go to 1 minute. We're gonna need to tap up to here. I think we're gonna tap up to there. Gold's view. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It needed to go up to there. It needed to go up to there. Yo, Revo. Good morning. Good morning, bro. I appreciate you guys for watching though. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe, hit that like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. We're trying to hit 2,000 subscribers. Let's try to hit 2,000 subscribers, y'all. We're almost there. We're almost there. 2,000 subscribers is the goal. What you guys think? You think we could do 2,000? I think we can, man. If all 28 of us watching right now or make sure we're all subscribed, we should be good. We all subscribe right now. Hey, we almost got 50 likes though. We almost got 50 likes. Hey, and if you guys want to join the Discord, you guys feel free to join the Discord. Our Discord is in the description. If you guys look at the description right here on the YouTube video, you guys will see the description right there. So make sure you guys follow the Discord. Join in the Discord. We got a lot of people talking over there and stuff, sharing trades. That's where I usually give out some of the signals I've been doing and things like that. Ooh, boom, we're starting to push. Okay, there we go. Let's see if it flips right here. This would be my idea of where we need to flip right here. I mean, I could be wrong, but let's see. If not, then it's gonna push. Which would also be that. Damn it. And if this ends up becoming the range, then we have this whole range right here of this candle to play with. So that means once we start closing in here, we could come all the way up here. Crazy. Let's see how this one closes. But yeah, the goal is to hit 2,000 subscribers, y'all. So if you guys are trying to help out, I'll really appreciate it. Let's see what the live count is right now. Live count of, oh, we got 1648. So if we get 2 more subscribers, we'll hit 1650. Let's try to hit 1650 at least. 2 more subscribers. 1560 at least. Or 1650, my bad. 1650. We're almost there, almost there. Alright, so that closed above. I think once this flips, it should start maybe pushing up, but I don't know how much higher it could go. But like I said, this ends up becoming the range right here. Oh, we gotta come all the way back up to this yellow line. So there's a good chance we come all the way back up here. Yeah. It's never the first push. It's always the one that comes off a retest. So this right here will probably be the retest right here. If you were to go down to this as a below right here, probably it's either bouncing off of there to continue up. I think that was it actually, because look, this was the low, this was the low, a previous low it needed to tap. So once it tapped that previous low, now it's gonna go up. So let's see. Alright, chat, I'm off. Alright, Raj, leave a like and love you all. Good luck with trading. See you guys tomorrow. Peace, Raj, peace. Like I said, if we could get I've been streaming 2.5 hours already. That's gang. Let's see. How many people are watching right now? We got 27 people watching. We got 45 likes. If we could hit 50 likes, I'll stay on. But if not, I'm probably gonna be getting off right now in a bit. Probably play a game of chess and then hop off, cause I gotta do some stuff right now too. I already took in 2 trades. I mean, I don't see it going up anymore, but I thought it was gonna need to come down, but I guess it almost got to that level that it needed to. Almost did. But we'll see how it acts at this level right here. We're gonna see how it reacts at this level. It's either gonna get rejected or it's gonna close above, and then if it closes above, then it has a chance of coming back to the top of the range of at least here. And this hourly still don't got a bottom wick either. So I'm wondering if this could just be a top wick to that level that we were expecting. Tap it, boom, and then flip back bearish. And then once it flips bearish, it breaks these lows to this low that we were kind of expecting. And then it flips back into the range of this candle right here. So this would be the range. So it'll probably flip below, break below, and then come back into the range, and then maybe start targeting these highs. $30 don't got a bottom wick. Hourly don't got a bottom wick. This is the one thing that's kind of confusing me. Maybe the one thing I could have gotten wrong. Like how I was expecting this to be the bottom right here, this needing to be tapped. I was just wondering is that if this was the line that needed to be tapped instead of this line down here, could that mean when I was looking for the previous low, this dotted line is on the bottom of this red candle, but there's also a previous low right here, which is this yellow line where I put the line at where I thought it needed to tap. So I put it right here. So I'm wondering if that wasn't like, let me zoom it in. So like, look at, you guys can see where I put that low at. I put the low as the previous low, which would be, you know, once this is low and this is coming, this is be like the previous low, right? But this is also a green low, and then this is a support low. So this could be like an order block low type of thing, I guess. So you could also say this could possibly be like an order block. So maybe that's why, you know, that level, when it hit this level inside of this, I guess, order block idea, I guess you could say that's why it bounced off of that, compared to going down here to this low down here, was because this was ending up being the order block area. So maybe that's what it was. And look, maybe that could have been what it was, maybe. Possibly. Alright, so now I see this being on the 5-minute, this becoming the range right here now. So if we're on this 5-minute range, we touch the top, we might need to touch the bottom. There's two levels though. There's here in the middle and then there's one here. So These are the two levels you're gonna have a reaction at, either here or down here. I appreciate you guys for watching though. Appreciate it. Got 24 people watching. Alright. Alright, y'all. Alright, chat. I'm gonna probably be getting off right now. I know I kind of want to stay on a little longer, but I might need to get off right now for a bit. Get a reset. If anything, I might get back on for Asian though. If you guys really want, I'll probably get back on for Asian. I don't know if anybody's gonna be streaming or not. I thought Don or Wix might be on, but Wix or Don got his account suspended, so he can't do it. So Wix, I thought Wix was gonna be on, but I guess maybe he still might be taking the time off because of that hurricane stuff or whatever I think he was dealing with over there. Or well, no, he was on yesterday. He might have been on yesterday. Or I think it might have been some. I think he was saying something about personal matter or something. I can't remember, but if he doesn't stream, I'll end up streaming or whatever. But yeah, just be on the lookout for my stream and stuff. So I appreciate you guys for watching though. I'll make sure I get on later. Make sure you guys join the Discord. You guys follow the Instagram, and make sure you guys are subscribing. Subscribe. I appreciate you guys.